Nature of roots. The quadratic formula for a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0 is x is equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation or formula, quadratic formula. So this is known as the quadratic formula. Now we need to discuss about the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. That means ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the nature of this equation? That means what is the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation? So which type of roots will become? Either real or imaginary. So a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a is not equal to 0, has two distinct real roots if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So if the discriminant become greater than 0, that means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the given quadratic equation will have two distinct real root. Distinct real root means two different value of x, two different solution of x. So in the first case, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that means the discriminant is 0 is greater than 0, then it will have two distinct real roots. Second one, two equal roots if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That means if the value of the discriminant is become 0, then it will have two equal roots. And third one, no real root exists. That means imaginary root exists. No real root exists if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That means if the discriminant is less than 0, that means the value is negative. If the value of the discriminant is negative, that means the value under root, the value of under root of this quadratic formula is negative, then it will not have any real root, and this root is known as the imaginary root. So if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then it will have no real root exist. Now we will take examples. Exercise 4.4, question number 1. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation if real root exists. Find them. That means if only real root exists, then only we need to find out the value of x. If no real root exists, that means imaginary root exists, then we no need to find out the root. So here question number 1, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Exercise 4.4, question number 1, Roman number 1, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Comparing the given equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, we get a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5. So discriminant b square minus 4ac. Now you will put the values of a, b and c in this discriminant, that means b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 3, so minus 3 square minus 4 into a means 2, c means 5. So it will calculating, after calculation minus 3 whole square means 9 and 4 into 5, 20 into 2, so 40. So 9 minus 40, so minus 31 is less than 0. So since b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real root exists. That means the value of the discriminant is negative, less than 0. So that's why no real root exists. So in this type of case, no need to find out the value of x. That means no need to find out the roots of this given quadratic equation because of no real root exists. Only for the real root exists, we need to find out the real root. Next question. Exercise 4.4, question number 1, Roman number 2. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Again, comparing above equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0, we get a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equals to 4. So b square minus 4ac is equals to minus 4 root 3 because of b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and whole square minus 4a, a means 3 and c means 4. So minus 4 root 3 whole square means 4 square means 16 and root 3 square means 3 and 4 4 is 16 into 3 48. So 48 minus 48 0. So discriminant become 0. Since b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, two real root exist. So in this case, two real root exist. So we need to find out the roots also here, because it is given that if real root exists, then we need to find out the roots. So in that case, two real root exist, two equal real root exist. Two equal real root exist. So we need to find out the roots. Now put the values of a, b and c in the quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b, b means minus 4 root 3. So minus of minus 4 root 3 plus minus root over 0, because of value of b square minus 4ac is 0. We have already found out. So we can put the value 0 here. And by 2a, 2 into a means 3 here. So we need to put the value of a is 3. So 4 root 3 plus minus 0 by 6. So x is equal to either 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6 and x is equals to plus 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6. So after calculation it will become 2 root 3 by 3 and here also 2 root 3 by 3. So we can multiply in numerator and denominator by root 3. So 2 into root 3 by 3 into root 3. So it will become 2 into 3, root 3 into root 3 means 3. So 2 into 3 by 3 into root 3. So 3 cancel. So 2 by root 3. The same way here also 2 by root 3. So this is the, here also you can see that here 2 by root 3, here also 2 by root 3. That means in this case discriminant becomes 0. That means two real equal root exist. So here you can see the both are equal. So the value of x is in that case two equal values, 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3.